Welcome to the best picks. The best dorm chairs is probably one of the most crucial pieces of furniture for any college student, transforming a cramped living space into a functional and comfortable haven for studying, relaxing, and socializing. Imagine sinking into a chair after a long day of classes, or having a cozy spot to catch up with friends, all while maximizing your limited dorm room real estate. This isn't just about seating, it's about creating an environment that supports your academic success and overall well-being throughout your college journey. Number 5. Urban Lifestyle Faux Fur Saucer Chair. Settle into a seat designed to fit your body. This saucer chair, in a gorgeous neutral black with a silver metal frame, suits any room's decor. Add extra seating to any space with this comfortable chair. Provide a convenient and ultra-cozy spot for friends or family. It's designed for maximum comfort and durability, sure to become everyone's favorite place to lounge. Covered in super soft faux fur, this chair offers an incredibly comfortable experience. The durable material makes it hard to want to get up once you sit down. Its foldable steel frame supports up to 225 lbs and folds flat for easy storage. This makes it simple to tuck away without taking up much space. With a safety locking mechanism and easy transportability, it's perfect for taking to your next destination. It's travel-friendly and easy to carry wherever you go. Measuring 29 foot, HX32, WX22D, it's an ideal size for kids, teens, and young adults. This practical design makes it a multifunctional purchase. What we like? Sink into unparalleled coziness with this ultra-soft faux fur saucer chair. Its unique design cradles your body for maximum comfort. If you're looking for a plush, inviting seat that adds a touch of luxury and warmth to your dorm room or bedroom, this is the perfect choice for ultimate relaxation. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, perfect for long study sessions. The design is modern and sleek, it looks great in my dorm room. Assembly was a breeze, took me less than 10 minutes to put it together. Number 4. Oakham Comfy Folding Lounge Chair. Introducing the Oakham Comfy Chair, your new favorite spot for relaxation. Crafted from ultra-soft faux fur, it's designed for maximum comfort and breathability. Perfect for any room, this chair fits seamlessly into your living space. It's an ideal spot for reading, gaming, or simply unwinding after a long day. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust steel frame, engineered for stability and durability. It's built to support you comfortably for years to come. No assembly needed. This chair folds flat in seconds, making it easy to store or take with you. It's perfect for any space, big or small. Generously sized, it offers ample room to stretch out and relax. You'll have plenty of space to get cozy and let your worries melt away. While it offers exceptional comfort for reading or lounging, please note that individual comfort may vary. It's designed for enjoyable short to medium relaxation sessions. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort in this spacious, oversized faux fur lounge chair. Built with a robust steel frame, it offers exceptional durability and support. If you need a versatile, comfortable spot for gaming, reading, or just unwinding in your dorm or living room, this chair provides ample space and a breathable, soft surface for extended lounging. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, perfect for long study sessions. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to move around the room. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my dorm decor. Number 3. Zenithen Hexagon Folding Chair. Discover the ultimate seating solution designed for your comfort and convenience. This versatile chair is perfect for any room in your home. Tired of clutter? This chair folds away easily, saving you precious space when it's not in use. Storage has never been simpler. Sink into the soft, padded corduroy fabric. It's designed for maximum comfort, making it ideal for extended periods of reading, studying, or relaxing. Enjoy peace of mind with its sturdy steel frame, built for reliable and worry-free use. It's designed to support you, holding up to 225 pounds. Whether you're diving into a good book, focusing on your studies, enjoying a gaming session, or simply lounging, this chair provides the perfect spot. Its sleek design complements any decor, while its practical features make it a must-have for dorm rooms, bedrooms, and any space needing an accent chair. What we like? This corduroy chair offers a soft and comfortable seating experience, perfect for long study sessions or movie nights. Its sturdy steel frame ensures reliable support, and it folds easily for convenient storage. If you need a comfortable, durable, and space-saving accent chair for your dorm room or bedroom, this is an excellent option for focused activities or relaxed lounging. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, perfect for long study sessions. The design is modern and sleek, it fits well with my dorm room decor. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to move around, which is great for rearranging my space. Number 2. FILUXE Folding Sofa Bed. Introducing the FILUXE Folding Sofa Bed, your perfect blend of comfort and convenience. Easily transform it from a stylish chair to a cozy bed in seconds. Experience cloud-like comfort with our ultra-soft, breathable linen fabric. It's gentle on your skin and features a washable cover for easy maintenance. Enjoy superior comfort with our high-density foam that maintains its shape and support, even with daily use. Say goodbye to sagging and discomfort. Designed with your well-being in mind, its adjustable backrest and lumbar support pillow ensure perfect body alignment. Lounge or work for hours without pain. Forget complicated instructions. This convertible chair arrives fully assembled and converts from chair to bed in just 1 second, ready for immediate use. Built to last, it features heavy-duty hardware and secure straps for stability. Enjoy reliable performance and a snag-free experience with its premium zippers. Maximize your living space without compromising on comfort. Its compact, foldable design is ideal for apartments, dorms, or any area needing flexible seating and sleeping. What we like. Maximize your space with this versatile folding sofa bed that easily converts from a chair to a bed. It features an ergonomic adjustable backrest and a comfortable, washable linen fabric. If you live in a small apartment, dorm, or RV and need flexible seating that can also accommodate overnight guests, this convertible chair offers a practical and comfortable solution. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, perfect for long study sessions. It has a sturdy construction and can hold up to 250 pounds, which is great for a dorm room. The adjustable height feature is a lifesaver, allowing me to customize it to my desk. Number 1. Ditucu Flower-Shaped Chair Cushion. Introducing a plush, flower-shaped cushion designed for unparalleled comfort. Its premium quality ensures a soft and supportive seating experience. Sink into the warmth of its super soft plush fabric and enjoy the ergonomic floral design. It provides comfortable back support and is filled to prevent fatigue, even after long hours. Perfect for gaming chairs, office seats, or even as a cozy floor pillow. It's ideal for reading nooks, children's rooms, and adds a touch of aesthetic charm to any space. More than just a cushion, it's a decorative accent for your home. Add a soft touch and warm ambience to your living room, bedroom, office, or even your car. Arriving vacuum-packed for convenience, simply expose it to sun or a dryer to restore its full, fluffy shape. Enjoy instant coziness and style. What we like. Add a touch of cute and comfort to your space with this unique flower-shaped chair cushion. Filled with high-elasticity PP cotton, it provides soft seating and comfortable back support. If you're looking to enhance your gaming chair, child's room, or any living space with a decorative and cozy element, this pillow is a delightful choice for both style and comfort. What people say. The chair is surprisingly comfortable for long study sessions, with good lumbar support. The adjustable height feature is a game changer, allowing me to customize it perfectly for my desk. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 15 minutes, with all necessary tools included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.